Hi, and welcome back to realonlinecareer.com. So today I'm going to review eToro and just go over a basic overview of all its tools, etc., etc. So eToro are famous for their social trading or copy trading, if you want to call it that way. Both the same, but they have been in business since 2007. So I set up this account to make this video. I have my own account, which I am keeping for a new website and channel I'm building. So if you want to try out eToro, I have the link in the description where you can trial it. It's free to join. So there's two different sections to it. There's the real account, which is real money, obviously, and then the virtual account, which I'm going to go through with you now. So to set up eToro, you have to complete your profile. So you have to put in your name, email, or your age, etc. Also, you have to upload your photo ID. Also, you need proof of address, so a bill, etc., etc. So all this needs to match your details like that. So I advise to set up everything first, verify your account if you're serious about getting into trading stocks with eToro. Okay, so and then once you did this deposit funds, it'll take 1 to 2 days. I'm not sure, even quicker when you deposit funds for them to verify your account. But before all that, you can practice, and it's all free on the virtual account. So that's what I'm just gonna switch to virtual here. So it's very easy to use, as you can see. It's your name, your profile up there. So trade markets, these are all the markets that you can trade in. Let's let that load up. And so you can trade in stocks, ETFs, crypto, indices, commodities, currencies. So everything is there, guys, from all the different stock markets. And it's very easy to use. By the way, I'm only starting to trade myself, so I have another account where I did my first trade today. But I'm going to show you how to copy trade, etc., and etc. on this account. So yeah, so you see all here, it's really easy to use once you get into it. So just simplify, keep everything simple. The same when you're learning about stocks, just keep it simple. Trade markets, everything is here. This is market movers. What's moving today? What the biggest changes gone up or down in the stock? Technology. So you can filter by all the different types here. So stocks, that's your stocks or cryptos, industry. It's very easy to go through all of that. So what kind of healthcare, or you want Bitcoin, or which exchange? Very easy to use. So okay, so you all to do the trade, so or else you can just up here and you can. So the stock I traded today was Macy's. So it's just an M for Macy's. There we go. It's at the top. So if you want to trade, I like to click on this arrow here. It'll bring it to Macy's page. Okay, so before we get to the copy trading, you can just trade stocks normally. So this is the page you get. So that's the price of the stock now. So it's prices in NASDAQ. The market's closed at the moment. So okay, the US market opens half 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. Okay, so this is the feed, so it's very easy to use. This is like a forum here, so you get updates on news on this stock. So each page has this is the home page for Macy's, so you can like comment on these, ask questions, etc. It's just like a blog or a forum. So for this stock, okay. So the reason why I trade this stock today, I'm not going to go into it, but because they released the earnings report this morning. So then you go to the stats. So every stock has this, or every Bitcoin or currency or commodity is the same. So you can filter. There's this charts, very easy to use. Lots of overview there. The returns, financial summary gives you all their income, gross income, So this is Macy's. So today they're actually they thought they'd lose more, but actually did pretty good on their earnings because of online sales. So you can see there though there was a spike. So that's when I sold the stock today. But then if you want more details, so this is great for people that are learning. It's very easy to use. So this is the chart. So this one is called a waveform. So if you want all of, don't don't get bogged down. This all you need is this like, but to show you there's like you can change it by the time, symbols, candles. This one's called mountain. So if you want the candles, you can go there and you can just like that. So there's the red candles when people are selling, and the green candles where they're buying. Or you can learn about that yourself, but on this, so just click on that again. So, and then on this one, the charts are there, so everything here. Okay, so with the research function, you need the deposit to get into this, but this is practically just what the analysts are saying about the stock. If it's a good time to buy, it'll say strong here or very strong buy, and it'll show the stats and where they will think the stock is going to go in the next 6 months or a year. So this is what analysts are saying and what hedge funds are doing down the bottom here. So all that information is when you deposit, but it's pretty handy if you're just starting off. But a clever trick I like to do if you want to trade stocks, but you're not sure which one to trade. So this is all the news here. You follow the news, you can ask questions, etc. on what the stock is. So Macy's here. Okay, so just to trade the stock, just go in here, click this big blue button. Easy. Sell or buy. You want to buy, you want to sell at the market. So let's see, I have to click down. So I want to buy. So the minimum amount is $50. Remember, you have this is on the virtual money, so you can do that. So virtual money. Stop loss is how much you want if you want to sell the stock when it gets to a certain amount, and take profit is if you want to sell the stock when you get so much profit, and then you just set order. Not going to go into the details about this, but it's really easy to use. And once you buy the stock, it goes into your portfolio, which is here. And it's easy. It just lists your stock here and what to buy and what to sold. So it goes into your portfolio. Okay, so the news feed here is general news from everyone. Okay, so this is like the main forum. Get lots of ideas on stocks here, how people are doing, etc., etc. Really cool, really interesting, good information. Okay, and the next thing what it is famous for is copying people or copying in portfolios. So if you want to copy people, so go in here. It's really easy. Up here you can search for what from where, what market, how much they gained last 6 months, how many people are copying them. So most copied, you can see here who's trending, top investors. And this guy, Jay Nemes, is very famous on the platform. So you can see he's up 66.6%. So you can even just click on copy here and copy him from here, how much you want to copy him from. So the minimum to copy him, I think, is 200. Yeah. Copy open trades. That just means if you want to copy the trades that he's already doing at the moment, or you want to wait for the new trades that he's going to do following your copy. So you just click into him. So this guy has massive returns. So there you go. He has his own forum blog and he updates and you can communicate him through this page here. So that's Jay Nemesis. I recommend him. I'm going to make a video on this guy. But you can see that's what he profits last on August 14th, and 14. So overall, 63.35% he's up this year so far. If you had to copy him, so that means if you had to copy him with 200, you would have been up €126.70 or €126.70 dollars. Oh yeah, so the platform works on US dollars, so that's fine. You can deposit funds with PayPal or your bank account or credit card or debit card. So here you can pick PayPal, wire transfer. It'll take a bit longer. PayPal is instant, and then credit card, debit card takes 1 to 3 days. So depends. So I used PayPal on my account. So yeah, so you copy people, really easy to do, guys. Don't overcomplicate trading. Um, if you want to copy this guy, he is recommended, and you can see his stats there are really good. Just another little thing, you can go through all the stats from 2020, everything. This is his risk score. So the higher the risk from 1 to 10 or 0 to 10, so around 5, 6 is okay. So really good risk score here, but as the market was volatile, and max risk 5, so that's very good. How many trades he's done, you can go through all of this yourself. Okay, and then if you want to see what he's trading in, you go into his portfolio, and this gonna load up. So this is all his trades, okay? So what he is trading in. And a tip for me is, if you don't want to copy people, come in and check out these guys, these experienced traders. They're doing well, see what they're buying and selling. But you can see this guy, he seems that this is Bitcoin, he's into everything. And with this trader, if you click in, you can get more details of what he's doing. Sometimes they have smaller, they buy in smaller amounts. So you see the percentage of they invested in this stock off the total of his total of the amount of people that are copying them. So 1% of the total amount of money of all the people that are copying them. So, and these guys have to invest their own money too. So they're not just trading with other people's money. But that's more details which you don't really need. But you can go into, you still have the charts. It's like a stock, but you're trading on what this guy is trading. So you see what he's done over the since October last year. Excellent. Okay, so you can go back in feed. He is Nemesis. Okay, so how many people are copying him? So there's 1,000 or 19,866 people copying him. Okay, his top trades, etc. And so that's his name is Jay. So you have all the details here. He recommends that you trade a minimum of $500, recommended 2,000. So I'm gonna copy this guy, but at the moment I don't have 2,000 in my account because I'm only learning. In my other accounts, I lodged in. So never invest when you're starting off something that you're gonna lose or that you need. Like, so I'm saving money in my own account, but also I'm just for extra money. I am gonna build up my funds so in other account. But I think I'm gonna copy this guy when I get to 2,000 in my other accounts when I lodge more. But at the moment, I'm just learning, so learning the trade myself. So 2,000 recommended, 500 minimum copy. So he says copy for 2 years and copy open trades. And this guy is pretty good. He has his own website and everything. So very good. So very easy. And then the other last part, nearly one of the last parts here, is if you want to copy portfolios. So if you want to copy like all the most popular traders on eToro. Or remember, guys, I left and the link is in the description to the eToro. So I'm a partner with them. So please click on my link. I'm an affiliate with them. So help me out. So market portfolios, shopping carts. So you can all the shopping carts so all of the Amazon you can invest in all shopping carts like eBay, Amazon, Netflix, etc. So digital commerce. Copy portfolio for all Bitcoin. So that's it there. If you want to just all gaming, so you can copy these. This is a new feature, so really cool. So if you want to get into that, return 99%. The returns are very good on the stock market at the moment. And then Etoro Club, invite friends. You get a commission if you invite your friends. That's a guide. That's the help center. So the same as if you go to the help center, withdrawal funds, settings. So you can change the layout. But guide is just the help center. All the information is in this help center if you want to learn. And it's really easy to use. Just okay, so it gives a tutorial of how to use it, but I know how to use it, so I don't need it. So that's pretty it. This is your portfolio. So all your stocks will be in here once you invest it. So this is virtual money. They give you 100,000 so you can try for free and practice trading. So I haven't traded anything in this account, but I'm gonna trade soon on another video, and then it'll just show up here. They're really easy to use. Newsfeed is just a blog forum. It's very easy to use. Switch between your real account. It'll give you a warning you want to go to your real portfolio. It's exactly the same as virtual. Only you are obviously it's real money, and this is not real money. Really good for people as so. This is the force platform I'm using because I'm learning. It's really good for people that's learning, and you want to copy people. You have money to invest. So you can copy people, maybe 50% of the money you deposit, then trade by yourself and learn that way, etc. Whatever you feel comfortable with. And so lots of information there, lots of learning. So the link is in the description. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. But highly recommend eToro for beginners, definitely, and for copying and social trading. Okay, bye.